Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add income in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now from here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add income in FreshBooks. From this homepage, which is the dashboard, I'm going to show you what to do. So first off, how do you confirm that you are in the dashboard? Head over to the left navigation panel and you're going to find the first option there which says dashboard. So ensure it is set to dashboard. So now that we're in dashboard, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have create new. Now select create new and you have these extended options which include client, retainer, invoice, recurring template, other income, expense, estimate, proposal, credit, bill, and vendor. Now go ahead and click on other income. So you can now add an income if you want to. So add your source, Shopify, Etsy, whatever option that you want, and then categorize under. You have to choose your income type. You have a couple of income types here. That's advertising, affiliate income. You have in-person sales, online sales, and all the way down to other. So select that. Now select the amount that you're expecting and the currency. Of course, you have different currencies here that you can change it to. And then you have date, so enter the date. And if you have taxes, you can include taxes. You can also show payment details if you want to. Now click on save. And once you click on save, that's just going to be it. You'll be able to add that income to FreshBooks. So that's pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.